guys, we're at Avenue Sound, Freeport, New York. We have a 2014 Jeep Cherokee SRT. We've done quite a few things to this vehicle over the last year or so, but what I wanted to highlight today is the Alpine 9-inch in-dash screen that we did, along with side view, front, and rear camera. When you come up to the front of the vehicle, we flush the camera right at dead center into the bumper of the vehicle. If you look along the sides, we also powder coated the wheels, painted the brake calipers, wrapped the side rails, pretty much blacked it all out. We got side cameras here below the front mirrors, left and right side. And when you hop in, I'll show you how it works. So this is not the stereo that comes with this vehicle. This is an Alpine ILX F309. It's their new flagship 9-inch screen. It's got a whole bunch of features: AM, FM, USB, auxiliary, Bluetooth hands-free, Bluetooth wireless music, Apple CarPlay. What we did that was pretty unique was we integrated all of those features with the vehicle, all the way down to the steering wheel controls. And then we also added the cameras. So right from the get-go, the car had a factory reverse camera. Put the car in reverse, see the camera up on screen. And then it also has factory parking sensors, so you can see how those engage. We added a front camera. Go ahead and flip a little toggle switch in the cubby here, and you see the front camera. Perfect resolution. Now, what do we do for left and right? Well, it's pretty simple. I put on my right signal, and we see the right camera. So you can see the slingshot, which is off there to the right side, and you see the full body line of the vehicle, which is important for your blind spot. When I turn off my signal, the camera moments later will turn off, and it'll go back to the screen. If I hit my left signal, you see the left side of the vehicle. You see the Maserati over there on the left side, and then you see the full body line of the vehicle. Again, this is done here at Avenue Sound, Freeport, New York. Visit us on the web at www.avenuesound.com, Facebook, YouTube, or follow us on Twitter. Thank you.